Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Learning Podcast channel. I'm James. Before we begin, I want to ask you something very simple but very honest. Have you ever felt nervous just to say, "Hello, my name is," in English? That small sentence can feel very heavy. It can feel like your heart is beating fast, your mouth feels dry, your mind goes blank, and suddenly English feels bigger than you.
Hi everyone, I'm Amelia. And James, that question already touched my heart, because so many learners feel exactly that way. They know some English words, they understand simple sentences, but when it's time to introduce themselves, they freeze. They worry about mistakes, they worry about accents, they worry about being judged. And that fear makes a simple self-introduction feel like a mountain.
Yes, Amelia. And today, we are not just teaching sentences. We are telling a story, because self-introduction is not just grammar. It's not just vocabulary. It's your story. It's your voice. It's your first step into a new conversation. And when you learn how to introduce yourself with calm, with feeling, and with flow, something changes inside you.
Exactly. Today we want you to feel safe. Imagine you are sitting with us. No pressure, no exam, no fear, just a friendly talk. We will move slowly, we will repeat ideas, and we will show you how a self-introduction can sound natural, warm, and confident, even if your English is simple.
Let me tell you a small story. I remember meeting a learner once. She knew English, but when I asked her name, she whispered it. Her eyes went down, her shoulders dropped. She said, "My name, sorry, my English is bad." And Amelia, that broke my heart.
Oh, James, I've seen that too. Learners apologize before they even speak. But English is not about being perfect. It's about being understood. It's about connection. And today, we will help our listeners introduce themselves without saying sorry, without fear, and without rushing.
So, dear listener, take a deep breath with us. You don't need big words today. You don't need fast English. You only need honesty and practice. By the end of this episode, you will feel lighter when you say your name in English.
And remember, James and I are right here with you. Let's walk step by step, slowly, kindly, together.
Now, Amelia, let's begin with the very first moment. Imagine you meet someone new, maybe at work, maybe online, maybe in a class. There is a small silence, and then it's your turn to speak. What do you say first?
This is where many learners panic. They think I must say something smart. But the truth is, the best self-introduction starts with something very simple, a greeting, just a greeting, something like hello or hi.
Yes, and the way you say hello matters more than the word itself. You don't need a loud voice, you don't need a perfect accent. Just say it clearly and calmly. Hello. Pause. Smile if you can. Even a small smile changes your voice.
After that, you say your name. And this is very important. Your name is your power. Don't rush it. Don't hide it. Say it slowly. My name is... Pause. Then say your name.
Let's practice together, Amelia. I'll go first. Hello, my name is James.
And I'll respond naturally. Hello, James. Nice to meet you. My name is Amelia.
Did you notice something, listeners? We didn't hurry. We didn't add extra words. We didn't say anything difficult, but it sounded real. It sounded human.
Many learners think they must say everything at once. Name, job, country, age, dreams, life story. No, a good self-introduction is like opening a door slowly, not kicking it open.
Exactly. After your name, you can add one small detail, just one. For example, where you are from. I am from Bangladesh, or I'm from India, or I'm from Brazil.
And again, keep it slow. I am from, pause, country or city. That's it. You don't need to explain everything now.
Let's make it into a short, gentle self-introduction. Amelia, can you do one example for our listeners?
Of course. Hello, my name is Amelia. I'm from the UK. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Simple, clear, friendly. Now, listeners, imagine yourself saying that. Change the name, change the place, keep the feeling.
And remember, mistakes are okay. If you say, I am from UK, it's okay. People will still understand you. Communication is more important than perfection.
This is where confidence begins, not from perfect English, but from courage. Now that we know how to start, let's make it a little more alive. A self-introduction is not a robot message. It's a small story about you, and stories have feeling.
Yes, James, and feeling comes from simple personal details. After your name and place, you can add what you do, but again, very simply. For example, I am a student, or I work in an office, or I'm a teacher.
Many learners think they must explain their job in detail, but you don't need that at the beginning. One clear sentence is enough.
Let me give an example. Hello, my name is Amelia. I'm from the UK. I work as a teacher.
That already tells us a lot, and it sounds natural. Now, if you want to sound even more friendly, you can add how you feel. Something like, I'm happy to be here, or I'm glad to meet you.
Feeling words are very powerful, even if they are simple. Happy, glad, excited, nervous. These words make you human.
Amelia, can you show a full example with feeling?
Sure. Hello, my name is Amelia. I'm from the UK. I work as a teacher. I'm very happy to meet you.
That sounds warm. And listeners, you can copy this style, not the exact words, but the shape of the introduction.
And remember, James and I are right here with you. Let's walk step by step, slowly, kindly, together.